Hello, everybody. It's Rich getting back to you for another weekly review for February 7th, 2022. And yeah, so a lot of things happened this week. I decided to go down to micros this week due to the ongoing onslaught of losses that I've been experiencing. And it was definitely the best decision I made this year thus far. The losing streak continues. However, I plan to turn it around, hopefully sometime soon. And let's go for the review. Ended up losing for the week. Made, looks like 12 trades. There was like one trade that I made by mistake. But other than that, a mistake in terms of a misclicking and getting into a trade, and I just got out of it relatively quickly for small profit. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead here and go over the trades that I've done for the week. Let's maximize this here. Alright, so the first one is a trade for $10 that I lost. Let's go ahead and take a look at this trade. So decided to buy it, and I believe I bought it because of this double bottom here. Like it, kind of like it, and it just failed right away. It just failed right away. Yeah. So that wasn't too bad, at least from what I'm seeing here. Let's see, another one for a $5 loss. Let's maximize this. Another one, just a short. In retrospect, probably wasn't a good time to go either short or long because of this lot of trading in between that range. In retrospect, I could have probably waited for a better spot. Now that I'm in it, yeah, did I exit? No, I did not. It's still in the trade. Yeah, this is a bad spot to just get in. I think the last two trades, I could have found a better spot to get in. So I'm kind of happy that I just took the loss here because I was really indecisive of where it was going to go anyway, so I'm not too... The only mistake was entering into the trade, so let me go ahead here, go to the next trade. The final trade for a $17.50 loss. Decided to buy it here. Let me think of the reasoning why I believed. Yeah, it looked like it was most likely going to bounce off that VWAP, and I just thought that this would be a good opportunity to go long here. Let's see. Looking at the trade, it just failed right away. I should have just exited out sooner here, but it is what it is, and that's the first trading day of the week. 3 consecutive losers. Decided to stop trading for the day. That was another good decision to stop trading right away. I just wasn't in it. Now the next day, let's see here. Let's see how many trades. I made 3 trades, 3 consecutive losses. Let's see the first loss. Just decided to go shorts here. Could see why it was trending downwards. However, it was at the end of a trading range, which is definitely not a good decision to go short. Definitely could have found a better spot. I was probably aiming for a big sell-off here, which in retrospect wasn't a good decision. Decided to exit right away when I knew that there was going to be a reversal there. Yeah, I think I exited here shortly. Could have... Yeah, I was going for the bigger move to the downside. I was thinking that it was going to get out of this range most likely, which is why I entered. Yeah, it was hovering there. I probably should have exited here at this spot because it didn't go in my intended direction right away. So probably could have exited that a tad sooner here. Yeah, that was my mistake, not exiting when it didn't go in my intended direction fast enough. Ended up staying in the trade. And yeah, exited. Should have exited a little bit sooner there. Let's go to the second trade. Another loss. Decided to sell again. Thinking that it was going to break. It looks like on all these street charts that it was trending downwards. Probably should have exited fast here too because it was stalling. Yeah, this was an extended move that I shouldn't have gotten involved in retrospect. It's probably a good spot to go long instead of short here because of the volume. It's all up there. I exited out of there. Okay. And the third trade. Let's see. Decided to go short again. Near the VWAP. Look at this move. Ugh. What a horrible 2 days thus far. Yeah. Let's on to the next trades. This is okay. So this one, the first trade, I didn't record one of my trades here, and I made a misclick in the open. So that's that. Let's go to the second recorded trade here, or the first recorded trade. What did I do? I went long. Now I'm seeing my mistake here. I'm chasing. It looks like I'm chasing these breakouts here. Actually, it wasn't too bad. I should have probably... Did I get out of here? Still in the trade. Yeah, it looked like a flag here, which is why I entered. And yeah, it's failing. So this was a good exit, in my opinion. But like, I love to go with these extended moves, which is probably a mistake. Probably a mistake. It was a scratch, essentially. Let's see here. Decided to go short here because I was anticipating a breakout, a break of this long-term trend upwards. And it's stalling. Yeah, did I do here? Still staying. Staying. And it's pausing. I was patient with this one. Decided to exit. Not faulting myself for that. This could have easily just went upwards as well, so not two scratches. Okay. And the final trade. Let's see the final trade here. 22. This was the report. I decided to short here. And I like this short. Yeah, this was a big move to the downside. Look at the charts here. Yeah, I like this. This is the only good trade I had. Probably could have held longer, but yeah, I needed to get a psychological break from all the losses that I've been having this week. And that's pretty much it. I didn't trade for the last day on Friday. I was tired, and yeah, I was just tired. I couldn't trade. I didn't want to trade, so I didn't trade. And yeah, that's the week for you. Yeah. Hopefully next week's going to be a lot better. I intend on staying on the micros at least for the rest of this month. Next month I might reevaluate, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and take care.